How to find switch to secure connection on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find switch on to secure connection settings on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then open the browser, and in the bottom corner here you will find these three lines. Click on it and then click settings, and scroll down. Here you will find labs. Click on it and click this one, switch to secure connection, and you can turn it on or off and then just go back. And as you see, that's how to find switch to secure connection settings on Samsung. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.